Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me video in my classic size neutral dashboard layout. This is the one that was found at Joann's. It was a Joann's exclusive that released this spring. And so this will be Monday, July 5th through July 11th. And so what I'm going to use this dashboard layout for is for my meal planning. I actually tried to use it as just my regular planner this week, but I had to have this half sheet as like a running to-do list, and I don't like that. So if you haven't watched my planner lineup video, I'll try to link it somewhere up in the cards for you, but it just kind of explains what planners I'm going to be using for the rest of the year, or at least how I plan on doing things. So this is a printable, and I do have this printable available on my website. I did get my website up and running again. I've got to go grab my adhesive, but so this is available, and the PDF that's available, I think it's $1 on my website. It's the only item on there that I have besides my free downloadables. But the one that's available on my website is fillable. So you can actually type in your cleaning to-dos, your grocery list, and your calls and emails. So I'm using this dashboard layout as a home management planner. So this is my household chores and my meal plans, and then anything that I have to do like for the family or for the household. Now let me go grab my Tombow adhesive tape, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's all still in my little bag here. So the reason I'm covering this up is, and the reason I think I struggle with the dashboard layout, the Happy Planner dashboard layout, is because I'm learning more about myself, as I said in one of my last videos. My mind tends, and of course there's always a dog here, my mind tends to get overwhelmed if there's too much clutter, too much writing, I don't know, too much of anything. And so I think that with this dashboard layout, I have a hard time because it's just not simple enough for my brain to not get overwhelmed while looking at it. So I found, I don't know, maybe was it last year that I was using this layout as a meal planner? I actually enjoyed it. I just covered up this side of the page, or this side of the planner, and I used it for meal planning. And so I think that it will work well for me to use as like a master chores list for myself, because another thing that I'm realizing is if I write it in my planner, so say tonight I write down all my to-dos for tomorrow, and then by the time tomorrow gets here, I just don't get anything accomplished, whether or not it's because I just don't feel like it or because I have interruptions or whatnot. I feel guilty because I've written tasks on Monday. I don't like crossing through them. My brain doesn't like it. So what I've found is if I have a master to-do list, which is what I use that half sheet insert for, then I can check off the item when I get it done, and when it's done, I can write it on my daily. So for instance, I'll show you, I did a massive house declutter and organization. So you can see on Monday I have like this massive to-do list, and then each day when I got things done, I wrote down what I did for the day. But then I can also write down things like meals down at the bottom here. So this is my catch-all. This has just been working for me. All of June it worked, and I enjoyed it. So this will be like the master list, even for my meals. I may write my meals on the certain days of the week, but I will not write it in my planner here until it's actually been done, because that's just my brain. It's like I freeze up. When I have a to-do list, I freeze up and I don't get anything done. So what I'm actually researching right now, and I do have a doctor's appointment, is ADHD in women. So if you are that way and have kind of always been that way, and you have perfectionist tendencies, you may also want to research ADHD in women. It's very interesting, the things that I found out, and then the way that I've always been my entire life. So I'm going to use the Flower Power Mega Sticker Book. And I thought it would be appropriate to use these kind of farmhousey flowers for my home management, the first week that I plan in the home management planner. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of decorate up here, and maybe down here I might put a quote or something down here. Let's see what all we've got in this sticker book. Some really pretty stickers here. And one thing I don't have, and I don't know what I did with it, is my wax paper, because when I was cleaning and decluttering, I put it somewhere and I don't know where I put it. You would think that I put it in the kitchen with all the other wraps, but I don't think I did. So there's that. So I think I may just want to kind of put, I'm going to try to put this down here. I really need to go find my wax paper. So let's see what I want to do with these. Alright, so I just went and found it. So I kind of want to use these stickers maybe down here. I don't know. I wanted a quote down here, but I really want them to fit fairly well. Let's try this. Let's just put this here. And then I kind of wanted this one to sit a little bit further down. Or do I want to... I kind of wanted to use washi too. Alright, let's just scrap those for a minute. I don't know if I want to use these or not. So I'm going to put them back in the sticker book. I've got a lot of little gnats in here. I think my husband went outside earlier, and I think we must have had the porch light on and the gnats came in the house. I don't know. Alright, so we do have some clear stickers that match these big paper stickers. So I think I kind of just want to go with some washi tape and maybe just flowers. I think I want to do that. So let's go ahead and just lay down a couple florals and see. Oh, I already tore a sticker. Let's just see where I can put this. Can't really see the flowers if I do that. Alright, and then let's cut this off. I don't even know if I still got, yeah I do. Scissors. I've got all my sticker pieces still on my scissors. Okay. So, alright, so that's just a cute little start there. I don't know if I want to continue with these or not. Let's just try to find something to go at the bottom. I kind of want a quote. Let me grab this big old cart here. There's actually a lot of quotes in this Rainbow Mega Sticker Book. I don't know what I'll find, but let's just see. Not that color. Let's see if there's any pink that'll match. Or black. Oh, I like this one that says you gotta nourish to flourish. That would be good for my meal planner. I think I've actually used this in a meal planner before. Let's see what's over here. These are purple. I can't use purple. These don't match. It's raining outside. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain. I was hoping to find some nice black ones. This one's cute, but it's silver. It says thankful, grateful, blessed. It'd be nice if that one was available. I guess it was. I already used it. I was going to say it would be nice if it was available in like black, but I guess I've used it. Alright, so you got to nourish to flourish. Now I think what I might do is try to use a flower. I do want to use some washi tape though. Where do I want to put this? I was thinking I could do something like that. But I kind of want to use the stem because this flower has the stem down in the corner. Maybe let's go like that. I haven't decorated my planner since my last video, so I kind of feel lost. All right. Now let's see if I can just put this down somewhere and make it look decent. Thinking I can put these down here. Maybe kind of close to that pink flower. And then maybe put this down here. Alright, so that's not too bad. Kind of need something up here. I'm not sure if I want to do like maybe some leaves. Can't get the sticker off the page. Oh my gosh, I'm ripping it like crazy. See, this is kind of going the wrong direction. Let's just see what this is going to look like. Wonder what it'd look like if I put the rest of this up here. Oh, I just finished ripping that. Try to put it back together. Okay, and then maybe I have this. Okay, that's kind of cute there. All right, so that was enough for that side. Now, just a little bit on this side. Not going to do a whole lot. I actually think this would be kind of cute down here in the bottom on Sunday. So I'll still have room to write my meals for Sunday, or my meal. I don't do all that breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or breakfast and lunch. I just do dinner. Okay. All right, and then maybe let's just do some leaves at the top like we did on the other one. I think I'm going to cut this kind of down the center. And let's just start over here and just line the top of the page. I don't really know what or if anything I'm going to do with this. I don't know yet, so we're going to just leave it there and let it be. Alright, that's cute. And then I actually put, so we have two little flowers left on this page with a leaf, like these. So maybe we could just come over here and just leave 2021 there. I wonder if these will go above it. Nope. Alright, so I think we'll just put this down here. Y'all know I don't like wasting sticker pieces. So we'll just put this down here. And then trim this off, and then I think we'll put it back in my planner. So I'll tell you what I plan on doing with it when we put it back in here. Alright, so like I said, this will be my meals / home management planner. So over here on this left page, I'm going to use it just like it says, cleaning to-dos and grocery lists, calls and emails. Like I said, this is available on my website, thepleasantlyplan.com. In the store, it's the only thing in there right now, and you guys can download it. It's got printing instructions for the different sizes. So this will be like my to-dos and to-buys, and then this is where I will write my meals on each day. So I'm going to use that Passionate Penny Pincher, and then maybe some of my familiar recipes. So that's it for this week's Plan With Me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.